Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Prep, Cook, Plate, Repeat. We are at home today, quarantine style. We're doing all our videos right now till this ban is up. Actually, in the whole country, pretty much every state has a ban. But yeah, we're just gonna be doing some cooking from home going forward right now. So today, so we're probably around 11:30 right now. We're making shashuka. Shashuka, probably some of you guys know, some of you guys don't know. Shashuka is a Tunisian / Moroccan dish. You see it on a lot of brunch menus. It's pretty much stewed down tomatoes. You get fresh tomatoes, you stew them down, then you cook with chilies and onions, all these aromatics, and then a bunch of different spices, cumin, harissa, and such things like that. So let's get to it. All right guys, so I have a cast iron pan for this. It's very important that you use a cast iron pan. First thing we're gonna do is I have one red onion, thinly sliced, juliennes, and some chilies right in there. Now we're gonna cook this until it's kind of translucent. We're not really looking for any color. We're looking just to cook these onions through. This is probably gonna take at least 7 to 8 minutes easily. All right, so we're gonna cook these down and we'll be right back. Okay guys, it's been about 6 minutes or so. These are nice. They're getting pretty soft. The chilies are nice in there. There's not too much color, which is good. We're not looking to brown this. We're just looking to kind of cook it through and bring out the flavors of the onion. I got 4 cloves of sliced garlic in here. I'm gonna saute that as well. Again, not looking for color, just looking to sweat this out. While this is cooking, you can start cutting up your tomatoes. So here I have 2 whole tomatoes. You can use plum, you can use beefsteak if you want. Just cut them in half. The seeds are fine if they're in them, because this is gonna be your sauce. Some people use the stuff in the can, like the peeled tomatoes in the can that people use for marinara sauce or tomato sauce. We don't really want to use those. We want to use fresh tomatoes. So we're gonna let this cook just a little bit more. And we're gonna add in our spices right now, actually. It's essential to add spices now because you want to toast them off. As to if you were to put the tomatoes in, you're just steaming spices. You need to toast them off. So I have a teaspoon of paprika. Sweet or smoked is fine. If you want more heat, you can add hot. A teaspoon of cumin. Right in. And harissa. You can use paste or you can use seasoning. This is for heat. This is what's going to give us that really nice, beautiful balance of heat. Salt. Nice pinch. We're going to re-salt too when the tomatoes are cooking, because they're gonna extract all their water, and that's going to kind of dilute our seasoning, so we need to season again. But this is really essential, crucial step, because you want to toast off your spices. You want to be able to smell them. This is a super easy dish to make. You can make this on Sunday's brunch, on Saturday brunch. You can make this any time of the day you want. You want to make this for dinner? You can make it for dinner. Totally fine. We're going to go right in with our tomatoes. Now what's going to end up happening is that these tomatoes are going to release all their water and they're going to cook down. This is going to take probably about 15 to 20 minutes easily. You're going to want to put a pan over this so you start to steam the tomatoes. Okay? We're going to add a touch of salt to that. Okay. So we're going to put a lid over this and we're going to come back in about 15 to 20 minutes and check on it. So it's been about 15 minutes, and this is what you should have. The color has changed. It's not super thick. It's still liquidy. That's what you want. We're gonna lower our flame just a bit because we don't want this this moisture to evaporate on us. Okay. The tomato you can break literally with your spoon. It's soft. That's what you want. Flavor's good. Salt content is good. It tastes really good. Now the next thing are your eggs. You're gonna crack them. You're gonna put them. You're gonna make like a little home for it right here. Each egg. Just crack it. Right in. Beautiful. Now what you're doing essentially is that you're poaching an egg in just tomato sauce. Normally you poach an egg in water with vinegar solution, but this dish calls for the egg to be poached in the actual sauce. Beautiful. This is one of my favorite brunch meals, besides chicken and waffles. This is a close second. And our last egg, right on the top. Beautiful. Alrighty, take your lid, cover it, and check on it in about 5 to 6 minutes until the egg sets up and the white part is cooked. We still want it to be like a poached egg where it's still a little runny inside. We don't want the yolk fully cooked. We just want the white part cooked. Alright, so it's probably going to be about 5 minutes. We'll be right back. Our shashuka is done. This is what it looks like. I have a little finishing touches. I took some chilies, sliced them up. That's just if you want some extra heat. And I got some cilantro. I'm just going to rough chop and put it over the top for a little bit of freshness. You can use parsley, whatever you have on in your refrigerator right now is totally fine. And then some beautiful serrano chilies that I had in my refrigerator. You can use jalapeno. Again, this is a quarantine dish, just kind of whatever you have on hand. A lot of people have canned tomatoes. You can make this with canned tomatoes. Use the exact same process that I did, but just substitute fresh tomatoes with canned tomatoes. It's totally easy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.